Hello world! Today we are going to the world's second largest bird park, which is Singapore Jurong Bird Park. Inside the aviary, there are 4,000 birds from 500 species, including Rio. What I mean is blue macaw. And there is Jelly the hornbill, which has artificial beak. Beside the many birds, you can also go to the research center where you can see how they take care of the birds. All in all, I will rate this visit with 3 out of 5, mainly for bird lover, and you might want to consider Singapore Zoo first before you come here. Before I end this video, one money saving tip is you guys can go to Carousel to purchase ticket with up to 35% discount